change case, uppercase method and applying or placing your text at the center, you highlight. Let's make this a title. You come up to the home menu, you say center or probably the shortcut key. Now you come to this capital A and small a, you click. You could see uppercase, you click. Now let's give it a higher font. You could also change, let's use, I'm okay with this, but you click out. If you want to give space, you could just come down here, you give a space. Now you make sure you separate paragraphs where necessary, so to make your document look good. So that's how it works. Always remember to justify your documents so that they will look good.